This is the mezzanine elevator at the Cabana Bay Resort, Universal Orlando. It's an Otis Series 7. Well, this one's more generic compared to the others. This one has the nicer buttons though. 3,500 pound capacity. Sorry about my voice. I've been like having fun on this trip and I lost it. So it's a very nice cab. Pardon me. This one's a Hydro. What is that Chime? I've never heard that before. Alright, we'll go back upstairs and end up there. Alright, let's hear the motor. Yeah, it sounds like a Series 5 Chime on a Series 7. Kind of interesting. And now, thank you for watching.